What is going on, everyone? Nordvpn is taking over online, and I'm going to show you exactly why and how you can get involved with Nordvpn today by hitting that link down below. Let's get straight in. So here we are, guys. This is what Nordvpn actually looks like. All right, you can see here the server. It shows you the map, okay? You can go around the map, have a look where all these servers are. And on the left, you have all of your list. All right, there is an incredible amount of servers on Nordvpn. And if you want to change the server within the country, just click the little dots and scroll down. Now, Nordvpn is renowned for having one of the biggest databases of servers. You can see here in Europe, we have so many different countries. And like I said, you go into them countries, and again, you have 171 servers just in Australia, just in Argentina. So many, okay? Like 9 servers in Argentina. If you want to now go into the preferences, click that little box at the top, all right? Super, super cool Nordvpn. They have the kill switch protocol as well. Make sure that's turned on when you're using this. What that does is if anything happens online and your server has to go down, this wipes all your information. So they will not see this information. Jumping over now, guys, to security.org, I wanted to show you what kind of reviews Nordvpn is getting, not just on this channel, but all around the world, all right? It has things like minimal data login, all right? Located in Panama, shared IP addresses, okay? There is cons, of course there is, and some of them are customer service. It's not the greatest customer service, although it does get answered. You can send your chats and emails, but it's not faster than some of the VPNs that we use. But for me, it's a very small detail when I'm streaming, when I'm playing games. Now, the torrenting, although NordVPN allows torrenting at servers, not all servers work with torrent clients. Okay, so there is sometimes you will get into a situation where you can't use NordVPN. It's very, very limited, and especially with a 9.7 out of 10 here, all right? The bottom line, like as they are saying, okay, it's a top choice NordVPN, if not the greatest VPN out there. It's perfect for going on any single device, your laptop, your tablet, your TV, anything like that, okay? And so easy to use, like we previously showed you the app. Now, what I want to do for you now is show you how clicking that link down below is going to get you the best deal for NordVPN. Let's have a look. So the deal we've got on right now, guys, the Christmas sale is on. By hitting that link down below, you're going to go to onlyvpns.net. That's where we get our exclusive deals. And as of the time of this recording, okay, you're getting 3 months for free plus 68% off. So please make sure you make the most of that deal right now. 68% off for the best, in my eyes and most people's eyes, the best VPN out there right now, guys. Please tune in and get that deal with the link down below. Guys, I cannot explain to you, when a deal like this comes along for a product this incredible like NordVPN, you need to get involved. People have been paying top dollar for this VPN. You're getting it 68% off. Guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. We have more videos going in depth about this VPN, but I want to get it straight on your radar for 2023 and get you that deal. So I've had a good time. I'll see you on the next video.